Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video you will see me making some delicious scones as well as our Friday tea time, and you will see us talking about manners, reading poems, our Bible, and singing some songs. So if that is something you're into, definitely continue to watch this clip. And even play with her makeup. We bake cookies together and brew peppermint tea for our tea parties, and practicing manners, Evelyn calls it etiquette. Can you say etiquette? Etiquette. I trust in God when there's smooth sailing. I trust in God when sea grows wild. I know my Father is the captain. He rules the sea and Open the door, I will come in.
What happened?
This is my commandment, that we love one another, so your joy may be
No, all joy.
This is my commandment, that you love one another, that your joy may be full, that your joy may
to do?
Yeah, he got his strength back and he just wiped out the walls. Crushed it.
Is that the jail?
I think, no, they brought him outside.
Oh.
No. Yeah, that was a great story, wasn't it?
Yeah, carry the nose story.
No, that's enough. And that was Friday tea time.